Take a ride in the 2017 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, rear view camera, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.